Apple's top picks, 17 best apps and games of 2024. Hey everyone, it's Marks Brownlee here. Today we're diving into Apple's latest announcement, the 17 best apps and games of 2024. Apple just dropped their annual list of award winners, and we're going to break down what makes each of these apps and games stand out from the crowd. From productivity powerhouses to immersive gaming experiences, we've got a lot to cover. Let's get started. Best productivity app, FocusFlow. FocusFlow takes the top spot with its unique blend of task management and focus techniques. Game of the Year, Cyberpunk 2077, Phantom Liberty. Cyberpunk nabs the crown with its stunning graphics, gripping storyline, and expansive open world. Best for fitness, FitFusion AI. FitFusion AI takes personalized workouts to the next level, using AI to analyze your movements. Chapter 4, Social Media Done Right, Echo. Echo emphasizes meaningful connections over endless scrolling, prioritizing privacy and quality content. Chapter 5, Photo Editing Powerhouse, LumaFX. LumaFX offers pro-level editing tools with an intuitive interface, making complex edits a breeze. Chapter 6, Music to Your Ears, SoundWave. SoundWave combines a massive music library with advanced audio quality and personalized playlists. Chapter 7, Learning Reimagined Curiosity Kids. Curiosity Kids makes learning fun and engaging with interactive lessons, games, and experiments. Chapter 8, Banking Evolved, Zenith Finance. Zenith Finance prioritizes security and transparency, offering a seamless and intuitive banking experience. Chapter 9, Your Travel Companion, Voyagr. Voyagr simplifies trip planning with AI-powered recommendations, personalized itineraries, and offline maps. Chapter 10, ShopSmart curates personalized shopping experiences, offering exclusive deals and supporting local businesses. Chapter 11, NewsVerse delivers unbiased news from trusted sources, allowing for customization and in-depth analysis. Chapter 12, ClimaCast provides hyperlocal weather forecasts with stunning visuals and real-time updates. Chapter 13, Fitness Fun Beatrunner. Beatrunner combines rhythm-based gameplay with a killer workout, making exercise both fun and effective. Chapter 14, Finding Your Center, MindHaven. MindHaven offers guided meditations, sleep sounds, and mindfulness exercises to reduce stress and improve well-being. Chapter 15, Language Learning Made Easy, LinguaLeap. LinguaLeap uses AI-powered language learning techniques to personalize lessons and accelerate fluency. Chapter 16, Augmented Reality Breakthrough, AR Cityscape. AR Cityscape overlays real-time information onto your surroundings, transforming how you navigate and explore. Chapter 17, Virtual Reality Redefined, Starbound. Starbound pushes the boundaries of VR gaming with its breathtaking visuals, immersive gameplay, and epic storyline. Now that's it for today's rundown of Apple's top apps and games for 2024. Make sure to check them out and let me know your favorites in the comments below. Which ones are you downloading first? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.